Welcome to Tech Titan Reviews, your go-to destination for all things tech, especially in the exciting world of aerial and action photography. Today, we're diving deep into some thrilling updates that have been making waves in the community. DJI's rumored releases, the DJI Neo drone, and the Osmo Action 5 camera. These are not just ordinary updates. They could represent the future of capturing unforgettable moments in ways we've never imagined before. Whether you're an aerial enthusiast or an action camera lover, stick around as we unravel the most talked about leaks, rumors, and possible specs of these two groundbreaking gadgets. Rumored to be even smaller than the already compact DJI Mavic Mini series, the DJI Neo could be the most portable drone DJI has ever created. Imagine having a drone that fits in your pocket, ready to launch at a moment's notice. There's buzz that the DJI Neo will embrace the first-person view (FPV) flight experience. This could offer an adrenaline-pumping perspective, making it perfect for capturing fast-paced, dynamic shots. If the rumors are true, this feature would cater to thrill seekers and professionals alike, adding an extra layer of excitement to aerial videography. The Neo could come equipped with advanced flight technologies like obstacle avoidance, autonomous flight modes, and subject tracking. These features would make it easier than ever to capture professional-grade footage, even if you're new to drone flying. While there's no official word yet, industry insiders are hinting at an announcement around August 20th, 2024. As for pricing, the DJI Neo is speculated to be priced competitively, possibly under $400 for the Fly More combo. Now, let's switch gears to another exciting piece of tech, the Osmo Action 5. There's speculation that the Osmo Action 5 could come in a Pro variant, which would offer advanced features beyond the standard model. We're talking about improved image stabilization, superior low-light performance, and possibly even 8K video recording. These upgrades could set a new standard in the action camera industry, making it a must-have for filmmakers and extreme sports enthusiasts. Battery life is always a critical factor in action cameras, and DJI seems to have taken note. Rumors suggest that the Osmo Action 5 will feature a larger battery, allowing for extended recording sessions. This could be a significant improvement for users who need to capture long events or adventures without worrying about running out of juice. Much like the DJI Neo, the Osmo Action 5 is expected to be unveiled around late August 2024, specifically on the 28th. Pricing details are still under wraps, but it's likely to be competitive with other top-tier action cameras on the market. Whether you're a vlogger, adventurer, or just someone who loves capturing life's moments, the Osmo Action 5 could be an exciting addition to your gear. What are your thoughts on the DJI Neo and Osmo Action 5? With the potential release dates just around the corner, all eyes are on DJI. The Neo and Osmo Action 5 could set new benchmarks in their respective categories, offering unmatched portability, performance, and innovation. What are your thoughts on the DJI Neo and Osmo Action 5? Are you excited about these potential releases? Do you think they'll live up to the hype? Share your predictions and hopes in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, we'll keep you updated with the latest news, leaks, and reviews as more information becomes available. Don't forget to subscribe to Channel Name for more tech insights and exclusive content. Until then, keep dreaming big and capturing life from every angle.